Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. I am standing in front of the application example staircase from the office building sector. Here we would like to show you what is possible with our B.E.G DALI-SYS lighting control solution. To put it briefly, B.E.G DALI-SYS is characterized by the fact that up to 400 DALI lines can be networked with each other, and this through a LAN level. For this purpose, routers are used that bundle 4 lines each. Then up to 100 more routers can be integrated into the network on the LAN level. In addition, it is also possible to access other building services via the BACnet building automation protocol. It is therefore also possible to transfer logical links that come from the lighting control. For example, motion detection or presence detection to other building services. In this example, we would like to show you with an animated film how a logical link between the lift system and the lighting control system can look. I'll start the film now. In the animation, a situation is to be shown in which several employees have a meeting and are on different floors. To get to the conference room, they choose different routes. For example, one person goes through the staircase because he is only 2 floors below the conference room. The other person, who is on the 11th floor, uses the lift. The idea here is to show that areas that people enter should never be dark, for safety reasons or also for a sense of well-being. It is always advantage if areas that can be seen have at least basic lighting. That means people never look into the dark. And that is exactly what is possible, that the area in which the person is located is always illuminated, with main light in any case. And it is a adjacent area that can possibly be entered, that can be seen. At least the orientation light is switched on. And this is shown with this animated film. The last person now enters the conference room, and now the conference is held. When it is over, the people go back to their offices. And you can now see that the people who are going into the lift, but who want to go to different floors, press 7 and 11. And what does the lighting control system do? It has noticed this via BACnet and switches floors 7 and 11 to orientation light. So that when the people leave the lift, they enter a basic lighting system and feel safer and more comfortable. And that's the great thing about B.E.G DALI-SYS and BACnet interface that's integrated. To realize logic links across all services.